Hey guys, sorry for the non-intro slide-in thing. Maybe tomorrow, or maybe when I finish the editing of the video. God, hair, Anyways, I'm just gonna process wood right now for the RV console because it is getting hot. It is getting hot in here, and no, I will not take off all my clothes. All right, so I'm just gonna process some of this wood and get it ready for tomorrow and get an early start, and then of course clean up the mess. And one thing I still have not learned is wear a mask, wear ear protection, and wear goggles. Hey guys, Garage Chronicles Sunday, and it's the 4th of July. Badass, right? Come on. What are we gonna cook? Burgers? Hot dogs? Brats? Ribs? Steaks? Lobster tails? No? You got beer? Okay, I'm in. Alright, so welcome back. Today, we shall be continuing from yesterday. So yesterday, I took these boards, which were whole and not even squarish, and I table saw the hell out of them, I chop saw the hell out of them, and then I ran them through the thickness planer. They came out pretty good. Yes, so we shall be, first of all, fixing our mustache because, mira, you have to hold the handlebars, okay, man? My apologies for that, okay? No, squirrel, right? The noggin just takes over and it goes out. But we are continuing the build with this bad boy. Not exactly that bad boy. It's gonna be a little bit bigger, a little bit taller, a little bit thicker, maybe girthier. Yeah, that's what she said, right? I know. Alright, sorry guys, I didn't record all that stuff, me gluing it up and clamping it down. You've seen that. It's boring stuff. It's like sanding. All right, I cut it down. I think I shot a clip of me cutting it. Then I have to stop because this saw right here that I bought on clearance, I love the brand. I love the brand. But for some reason, this guy does not cut straight. I had my straight edge, which you place on there and you lock down, and that thing was straight. I even checked it with a square. And that thing over there, this little bugger was like, nope, nope, not gonna do it. Oh, hey guys, I'm gonna stop here. Why? Well, I don't want to cut out the cup holders. I'm not sure if he has them. I also don't want to cut out the 10.5 by 10.5 square unless he has a tray. I also want to find out if he wants anything else done with this. Should I copy the old template, including the bottom tray? I think I need to go to this place, check out the RV, measure for myself, have a conversation, pet the dogs, because why not? Anyways, thank you for joining me again on this very, very happy 4th of July. Party safe, drink safe, don't blow your hand up, okay, please, we don't need that. And again, make sure your pets are in the house so they don't go lost. Until then, guys,